Paper 14 SFM Note 8 Security Analysis and Portfolio Management. Question number 4. Securities X and Y have standard deviations of 3% and 9%. Nitin is having a surplus of 20 lakh rupees for investment in these two securities. How much should be invested in each of these securities to minimize risk? If the correlation coefficient for X and Y is scenario A -1, scenario B -0.30, scenario C 0, scenario D 0.60. So from this question, look at solution point number 1, whatever details available. So standard deviation of security X, standard deviation is indicated with sigma. So sigma X is equal to 3% and sigma Y is equal to 9%. Correlation coefficient that represented with a symbol called rho that looks like P. Rho xy is equal to, there are 4 scenarios that are -1, 0. -0.30, 0 and 0.60. Weight of y and x, we need to calculate how much amount to be invested in each of the portfolio to minimize risk. That is as per the question we need to calculate. So if we assume like weight of A is A, definitely weight of B, that is weight of Y will be 1 minus A, 1 minus A. So let us get into the answer, that is computation of investment in securities. That means weights we need to calculate. Weight of X is equal to sigma X square minus COV of XY, sigma divided by sigma X square plus sigma Y square minus 2 COV XY. COV represents here covariance. WX means weight of X. Sigma X square means weight of variance of security X, and sigma X square represents variance of X, sigma Y represents variance of stock Y. So COV is covariance of X and Y. To get weight of Y, we need to just do 1 minus weight of X value, and to identify covariance we need to do this rho xy into standard deviation of X into standard deviation of Y. We have values of standard deviation. So let's get into the actual answer, how to calculate based on these two formulas. Firstly, we have in this column, if this column, if written on xy is, that is not written on xy, that is correlation coefficient, that is rho rho represented with symbol which looks like P. Okay, instead of that they printed here like R, it is not R, that looks like a symbol P like this. 1 second. Instead of R they should write like X, Y there. Okay, so -1 0.03, 0 0.60. In second column, covariance. How to identify, calculate covariance means a rho into standard deviation of X into standard deviation of Y. This is the formula. So first scenario, rho value -1, 3, 9 are common for everything. Here also 3, 9 are common. Rho value changes according to values given here, scenarios. Okay, so that becomes -27. So we have covariance and rho, and let us we have to implement this formula every time to get weights. So let us calculate weight of x, weight of x is equal to sigma x square minus covariance of xy divided by sigma x square plus sigma y square minus 2 xy. Okay, so when we substitute values in the formula, 9 square, 9 we have, right? Here standard deviation of 9 is y is 9. So 9 square minus covariance we calculated in the second column, minus 27, divided by 3 square, that is standard deviation of x, plus 9 square, that is standard deviation of y. Okay, into 2 into minus 27, that is covariance just calculated now. So that after when we simplify this value, 81 plus 27 divided by 9 plus 81 plus 54, that becomes so we'll calculate that becomes 108 divided by 108 divided by 144. These are simplifications. So we'll get what, next book gone, we'll get what, 0.70%. Since we know weight of x value, we can easily calculate weight of y value. Weight of y is equal to 1 minus weight of x. So weight of x is 0.75. Ultimately weight of y will be 0.25. So how much amount Mr. Nitin have to invest? 20 lakhs. 20 lakhs into 75%, 15 lakhs. 20 lakhs into 5, 25%, 5 lakhs. Okay, so that is the amount he is going to invest here in x and y. That is how we need to calculate. Likewise, we have to calculate in other scenarios also. So firstly we have written row value here, and we multiplied row value with standard deviation, that came as 8.1, that is negative value, covariance. And formula to identify weight of x is sigma y square, that means variance of y. Variance of y is represented as sigma y square. To get the standard deviation, we need to apply square root to variance, like that it is. So since we have standard deviation, we need to apply square to get variance. So sigma y square is 9 minus covariance of xy is minus 8.1 divided by sigma x square, that is 3 square, sigma y square is 9 square, minus 2 into covariance of xy, that just calculated in previous column. So finally weight of x becomes 0.839. This is the percentage of amount to be invested in weight x. Remaining need to be invested in y. 20 lakhs into 83.9% is 16,78,000, and remaining amount to be invested in security y. Likewise, we need to calculate for when third and fourth scenario as well, when covariance is 0 and 0.60. When we substitute values, we will get amount to be invested, percentage of amount to be invested in x. First we need to subtract the amount we invested in x from 20 lakhs, so that we will get amount to be invested in security y. That is applicable for 0 as well. So let us see last one, 0.60. 0.60 into 3 into 9 is equal to 16.2. Weight of x, we formula is sigma x square minus 2 COV of xy divided by sigma x square plus sigma y square minus 2 COV xy. So sigma y value 9 square minus COV xy is 16.2 divided by 3 square plus 9 square minus 2 into 16.12. So that here the value, it becomes how much, 1.125, but we have actually 20 lakhs is equal to 1, right? So if we have 1 rupee, how much we are investing in first way stock, that is x, but here it is coming as 1.125, which is more than 1. So at this correlation level, risk reduction cannot be possible. Okay, that is what we need to write comment for this solution.